Hello, everyone. Today, we will be learning how to sound out the letters of the alphabet. Let's get started. The letter A says ah, ah, ah as in apple. The letter B says b, b, b as in ball. The letter C says k, k, k as in cat. The letter D says d, d, d as in dog. The letter E says eh, eh, eh as in egg. The letter F says f, as in fish. The letter G says g, g, g as in goat. The letter H says as in house. The letter I says I, I, I as in igloo. The letter J says j, j, j as in juice. The letter K says k, k, k as in kite. The letter L says O, O, O as in leaf. The letter M says mm, as in monkey. The letter N says as in notebook. The letter O says ah, ah, ah as in octopus. The letter P says p, p, p as in pencil. The letter Q says qu, qu, qu as in queen. The letter R says er, as in rainbow. The letter S says as in sun. The letter T says t, as in table. The letter U says as in umbrella. The letter V says v, V. V as in violin. The letter W says W. W. W as in watermelon. The letter X says X. X. X as in X-ray. The letter Y says Y. Y. Y as in yogurt. The letter Z says Z. Z. Z as in zebra. So that was all the 26 letters of the alphabet. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new today. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.